How to change the volume level of a message alert on the iPhone. The volume switch on the side of the iPhone controls most of your phone's sounds. This switch changes the volume of music and videos that your iPhone plays and handles sound effects from apps as well. The volume for the phone ringer and message alert sounds is set in the settings menu and then adjusted with the volume switch on the side of the phone. Using the hardware switches, you can set the entire phone to silent modes, such as when you're in a meeting, or you can raise or lower the message alert volume level. 1. Tap the Settings app on the iPhone home screen. 2. Tap Sounds in the Settings menu. 3. Scroll to the Ringer and Alerts section, which covers the ringer and message alert sounds. 4. Drag the volume slider to the right to raise the volume. Drag it to the left to lower the volume.